Okay, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. We're working on this YFA one barrel carburetor, and we had a customer that's having trouble with this carburetor, and said it was flooding. And the first thing I did was I took and blew into this hole. This is the inlet, and the air is going right through, so I can tell you without even taking it apart there's something wrong in the needle and seat, because it just, the air goes right through. I can hear it whooshing through it, and that's not going to stop any fuel. So I don't know if he had this thing apart. Oh yeah, somebody's had it apart. You can always tell. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I look for is dirt. This is a brand new carburetor, by the way. I look for dirt at the bottom, and it looks pretty clean in there. I don't know if they cleaned it out first or what. And, well, there's the problem with the float. It's not even in there correct. Someone's had it out. Okay. So, get this now. I'm looking at the needle real close. The needle, the Biden tip doesn't look very good to me. Okay. At that point I should be able to blow into it, and just the weight should seal it. And it's not. So the needle is bad. So either could be the ethanol got to it, or some other chemical that's in the gas. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put a new needle and seat in it, and then we'll go from there.